Hey everyone, my name is Vincent Osaji and I'm here to talk about music. Music is an amazing art form that is not very easy to define because there are very many views of its definition. Wikipedia defines music as the art of arranging sounds in time to produce a composition through the elements of melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre. Wikipedia defines music as the art of arranging sounds in time to produce a composition through the elements of melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre. When sounds are arranged in a coordinated manner, music is made. Music stimulates a range of emotion, and I am sure we have all heard the saying, "Where words fail, music speaks." Music is a universal means of communication through which people can share emotions, intentions, and meaning, even though their spoken languages may be mutually incomprehensible. All human cultures have a tradition of making music. Pitch, rhythm, and tempo are attributes shared across all cultures. Hence, music is one thing we can all agree upon and understand making it. Dr. David Ludden points out in Psychology Today that one reason music may be a universal language is that the same component that makes up music, pitch, rhythm, and tempo, are also present in our everyday speech, no matter what language you're speaking. Hence, music is a universal language of mankind. Ludden suggests that this is because we understand the pitch, rhythm, and tempo of speech, because the same patterns are present in our own language and across all spoken languages. With these patterns present in spoken language, we can interpret emotion from music using the same cues.